Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Roms for You. Today I am here with a special video for gamers, especially for PUBG gamers. Means with this video I am going to show you how to install PUBG Mobile on any Android device without wasting internet. It is not possible to do totally without data, but yes, with this trick you only need internet to log into your account. Apart from that, everything else, including maps and resource pack, we are going to do it without wasting any single bit of data. This video is going to be helpful for all users who is not having unlimited internet and wants to change ROMs and check PUBG performance. So without wasting more time, let's get into video. Before getting started, if you find this trick useful, like and subscribe to my channel would be really encouraging for me. To begin with, you need to have a PUBG already installed in your phone, or you can use your friend's phone for this purpose. Whichever phone you are using, you need to install two applications from Play Store. First is Explorer and second one is APK Extractor. Now download and install Explorer from Play Store. I have already installed PUBG in my phone with all resource pack and maps. Next you need is a micro SD card or a computer to take backup. If you are using a computer, you need to connect your phone with file transfer mode and follow steps as I am doing. Now open Explorer in your phone and select internal storage, Android, data and select com.tension.ig. Files, UE for games, Shadow Tracker Extra, again Shadow Tracker Extra, saved and select packs. Make sure it is ticked. Now select the blue arrow from the top right corner and select your SD card. Now from bottom left select new folder. Create new folder and give the name as PUBG Backup. And press OK. Now select that folder and select blue arrow from the top left side. You will be able to see the folder name near to that blue arrow now. Now select copy from the right hand side and OK. Wait until copying finishes. The copying speed is fully depends upon what kind of micro SD card standard you are using. Anyways, wait until it finishes. So now I have finished with copying. Let's verify the files by navigate into PUBG backup folder. Yes, you will be able to see all the pack files as like this. So now we need to install another tool called APK Extractor. Download this tool from Play Store and install it. This is for taking backup of your PUBG application in the form of APK. Once you install, open the tool and search for PUBG Mobile. You can also search by typing PUBG. Just select the PUBG Mobile from the result and give the permission. It will extract APK from your PUBG. Now go to settings and check the location of saved file. Open back Explorer and select internal storage and select extracted APKs. Now tick the PUBG Mobile folder and select blue arrow from the right top side. And select micro SD card. And select create new folder and name it as PUBG APK. And select OK. Now select the created folder and go back into previous window by selecting above blue arrow. Make sure that the right files are ticked. Select copy and OK. Wait until copying finishes. So that's it. All our files are ready. Make sure not to delete these files from memory card. Now close all windows. I'll now clear my PUBG data and uninstall PUBG completely from my phone. So now that is done, I'll be installing PUBG now. Open Explorer and navigate into micro SD card and PUBG APK folder we created. Now select APK file and install it. Once installation finishes, open PUBG as normal and log into your account. This is very much important. If you skip this step, you may end up in error. So yeah, now PUBG is opened and you can see nothing is available here. No maps, no packs, anything. Now I am going to close PUBG and turn off my Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now let's finish our remaining steps. First is to open Explorer and navigate into folder we have created, PUBG Backup. In my case, it is under SD card. Open PUBG Backup and expand packs. Now touch packs 2 times so that it will select all the files inside packs but not pack folder. Be careful here, otherwise this trick won't work. Make sure that packs folder is not selected. Now select blue arrow from the top right and select internal storage, Android, data, com.tencent.ig, files, UE4 games, shadow tracker and again shadow tracker, saved, packs. Here select packs. You don't need to tick here. Just make sure that the yellow rectangle shows as same as here. Don't try to copy from here, it won't work. So go back to previous window by selecting blue arrow from the top left. Once you are back, now select copy and select OK. And now select do this for all and select override. Wait till copying finishes. It may take maximum of 4 to 5 minutes. Once that done, verify the copied files. Now close Explorer and open PUBG as normal. So yeah, you can see all maps and resource packs, everything is updated and just ready to play. Next time onwards, when you change a ROM, you just have to install Explorer and continue the steps from APK file installation. That's it guys, this is how you can install PUBG without internet. This method needs no root. I hope this video did helped you. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you are new here. And yeah, if you are wondering about the ROM I am using in my Poco F1, it is the latest Rogue UI. If you need a review of this ROM, let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. Till next time, be safe and take care.